Today we will see multi-level inheritance, how to write the code when there are constructor function in both base and derived class. So a derived class that in that inherits a class derived from another class. So have you understood this one? So what is the diagram? So diagram is suppose A is the base class, under that B is the derived class, under that C is another derived class. So arrow will be there here. So how to read this one? C has been derived from B, B has been derived from A. So now we will see what is the code. So now class B1, neglect the case sensitive, so all are small letter. So I will not int a, then public b int x a equal to x int get a return a. So this is the main base class name is b1. So from b1 another class is derived, suppose d1. So public b1, okay, int b public d1 int x int y colon b1 y. And b equal to x. int get b return b. Now another class d2 public d1. So its local variable, its private member is c. Public also it is having constructor function. So d2 int x int y int z colon d1 y comma z. C equal to x. int main D2 OB 1, 2, 3 OB dot show Cout OB dot get A OB dot get B return 0. So let me explain this one. So all are in small letter. So what is B1, D1, D2? So D2 has been derived from D1 and D1 has been derived from B1. So it is the main base class. So in main base class there is a private member A and constructor function is there. Sorry. So this is constructor function B1 int x. It is taking a parameter, so you are assigning the parameter to your private member, and get a function is returning the value, so it is complete. So this is complete. Now class D1 is public B1, so its private member is B, and it is having also one constructor function. Now as it is inheriting property, so as it is an inheritance, now 1 plus 1 2. So this constructor function is taking one argument, this constructor function is taking another argument, so total 2 arguments you have to pass here. In D1 you have to pass 2 arguments, one you have to pass to B1. So B1 is taking Y and D1 is keeping X. So B, that means this private member is X, and get B is returning the value. Now in D2, now here D2 is also in constructor function, D2 is also having one argument. So total from B1, D1, D2, total 3 arguments you have to pass. 2 you have to pass here. D1 2, because D1 here you have to pass 2 values. So you are passing 2 values here, D1, and X you are keeping for itself, C equal to X. Okay. And in main function you will create the ultimate, which is the lowest derived class. That object you will create, you will pass 2 values. Now 1 2 3, D2 is coming with 1 2 3, 2 3 is passed to here, 1 is keeping here, so this value is C is equal to 1 2 3. So here 2 3 2 3, 3 is passed here 2, so B equal to 2, so Y is 3. So it is coming with 3. So A is 3. So A equal to 3, B equal to 2, and C equal to 1. So in this way you have to uh, do the multi-level how to pass arguments in constructor functions in case of multi-level inheritance. Okay.